So here we are, we're just all getting ready to go out. There's 3 of us. Sammy's still running in, so we've got to take it a bit easy. And then we're going to run north, see if we can get in, mainly running Sammy in, but also do a bit of fishing. Come on, mate, keep it coming, keep it coming. But why don't you get on board, Whoop?
Good?
Yeah, get on board. I'm going to push you off once you get there. I think that's it.
This is a manual, so I always worry about it freaking
Right.
going back.
So what we do, we tie you up to that end post.
Oh, the end post?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this water feels like in the 70s.
Yep. Cool in a bit.
Yep.
Get them pomelo going. All right, Texas beach bum, get it.
See if I can steer this right this time.
I know, I always get it ass about face. Whoop, that's the wrong way. Wrong way. No other way. Oh, God, no, stop. Crazy as ass. Watch out, you can hit that one. And me. It just goes the opposite of what you think. That fucking duck on the front there looks petrified.
Come here, baby.
All right, so we're ready. So everyone, get the fuck out of our way. We're coming forward. So we've got Sammy on a Seadoo Fish Pro. He's got all the gear. I've got a Yamaha. Sammy brought his brand new, so he's got a lot of good shit on there. Mine's a used one, but it's in really good condition. Real nice guy sold it to me. Got a couple of rods. We're ready. Got my 360 camera on a clamp here, so we should be able to get some good video. I think that's above my head, and all I've got to do is pop that off and we'll start recording, and that'll give you a 360, show you how these beautiful bays that we're going to go out in. I could actually jump on board. There's no point in me staying here. These are sort of a bungee tie-up that floats. So let's have a look, see what we've got going on. Quite warm out here with all this shit on. One of the biggest things you have to get used to is, like, when you turn that way, when you're going backwards, it goes the opposite way. So you turn that way, you'd think it would do that, but it doesn't. Oh, that does when you're going forward, but you watch when you're going back. Hang on. So, like, turn that way, it goes the opposite. And that's what causes you a lot of problems when you first get into them. Beach bum seems to have a bit of a problem. A mullet jumping. Once you sort of hit, so say you're going forward, then you hit this one. This is your forward control, that's your reverse. So this takes you forward, then all you got to do is hit reverse, and it neutralizes the drive. And it also acts as a brake. They're quite stable, sort of. Let me go back and see if I can find this 360.
Alright, so I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. Texas Beach Bum is parking, Nick's behind me, and I'm having trouble with my depth finder, so it's just not pulling the depth for some reason. It's blank down here. So I need to figure out why is this thing not showing. But I was messing with it in my garage and it kicked on, but it was completely gibberish. It said there's 30 feet depth in my driveway. So see right here? Nothing. So now I'm gonna mess with it a little bit.
Now this one's got a cruise control, so what you do is you press that button, and that one I think, and you can increase the speed. We're in a no wake zone here, so we've got to try to get it up to like 6 miles an hour. So that's now set cruise control. What's that? Oh yeah, I'm sure. There was a ton of mullet running out. A cup of coffee. And then we'll get out there and start kicking ass. So Sam is still running in. Beautiful houses here. My mate Jack's house is just up here. Good friend of mine. We might go north up the intercoastal and maybe drift them islands without going too close. Yeah? I've done a bit of fishing in the bays when I first moved here. I lived in Rockport and I purchased an old crab boat. I used to go up to a place called Cedar Bayou. We're planning a trip to that. From here it's a long way, but what we're going to do is go to Port A, launch, and then head north up to Cedar Bayou. There's Sammy. Once we get past that sign we can start going faster. Then we're just going to run the intercoastal channel north up to some islands north of us. So here we are now, we can start opening up. Running down the intercoastal, you just got to stay between them two markers. There's a green and a red. Green at starboard, left port, and then we're going to go through that bridge and keep heading north, and there's some islands that we can fish. Shit, I didn't see this coming. You alright, mate?
He can tell us. My depth finder is still not working.
Oh, let's go and have a look. We go in, anchor up in deeper water and walk ashore and do some plugging, huh?
Alright. Got a kill it. Oh. A lot of shells over here. Pretty cool.
You got a good in there, mates.
How's it going?
Good. Ho ho ho!
Big old red hook up your thing.
Yeah. Do you mind me filming you?
No, go ahead.
You like fishing? Here it comes. That is a pig of a red. Yeah! Good job, mates. That's awesome. Good fight?
That was a good fight, yeah.
Big old thing, man.
Beautiful.
Hold her up for a picture, man.
Yeah.
Have I seen you on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's the channel?
Nick away. I'm Nick away from Breakaway. I do the beach reports
you do
every
stuff
day.
on the beach too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch you a lot.
Nice to see you. Thank you, mate.
I think I copied your pompano setup.
Oh, good.
Was that?
Yeah.
Right, remember?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Good for you.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd come and play with you guys today.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name's Zach.
And where you from?
I'm from here.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Well, good for you, mates. That's why I never take my wife fishing with me.
I recognize your voice, man.
There you go. What's your name?
My name's Daniela.
Jason
and Oliver.
And you're Daniela?
Yes.
You watch my videos? Well, thank you. I'll get a picture with you with that, Danielle, if you don't mind. Awesome, I got you on video. That's great. Thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
All right, guys, you have a great day.
Sir, we love your videos, man.
Thank you.